Here's a couple more examples for completing the square. What we're trying to do is find the vertex of this quadratic function. So in this question, we have 2x squared plus 8x minus 4. What I want to do is factorize out the 2. We'll have x squared plus 4x minus 4. And as before, we'll complete the square on this part here. So we'll have y is 2, x squared plus 4x. Half of 4 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So add 4, subtract the 4, close the bracket, minus 4. And the completed square part is here. We can then write y is 2 square bracket x plus 2 all squared. So x from here, the sign is positive, and the square root of 4 is 2. Minus 4, close the bracket, minus 4. Now let's multiply by 2 both parts. We'll then have y is 2 x plus 2 squared minus 8 minus 4. That will give us y is 2 x plus 2 squared minus 12. So your vertex then is going to be negative 2, negative 12. Here's another example that's a little bit more difficult. We've got negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. Again, we'll try to factorize the negative 2 out. In this case, we have y is negative 2 x squared minus 3 on 2x plus 6. We can check that's correct by expanding here. Negative 2 x squared, negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 3 on 2. The 2 would cancel to leave positive 3. So that means we'll have y is negative 2 x squared minus 3 on 2x. Now half of negative 3 on 2 will be negative 3 on 4 squared will give us 9 on 16. So we have to add 9 on 16 here. You've added a number to your function, so we need to subtract it to keep it all balanced. And then we have the plus 6 there. So this is our completed square part here. That will give us y is negative 2 square bracket x minus 3 on 4 all squared minus 9 on 16, close the bracket, plus 6. How did I do that? We've got x here, we have the sign negative, and 3 on 4 squared is 9 on 16. Now we'll multiply 3 by negative 2, so y is negative 2 x minus 3 on 4 squared plus 9 on 8 plus 6. Because negative 2 times negative 9 on 16 is 9 on 8. So we'll have y is negative 2 x minus 3 on 4 squared plus 9 on 8 plus 48 on 8, because 48 on 8 is 6. And that will give us y is negative 2 x minus 3 on 4 squared plus 57 on 8. In this case, a is a negative number, which means your graph will turn downwards. And a vertex will be x minus h, so h is 3 on 4, and k is 57 on 8. That's your vertex. Thanks for watching.